Today I'm gonna be making some fudge brownies and I'm really excited for that. But before we start any of the baking, we gotta do some baking. That was a not good wink. Before we get to the baking, I gotta do some baking. I just drooled on myself actually. All right, let's start baking. Special guest, Corin. He does not look happy right now. I just finished doing a little bit of baking.
What's your number?
Like,
out of 10.
My number out of 10 right now? Probably like a 6, actually. These brownies are pretty simple. We've got some unsweetened chocolate, ta-da, right here. We've got some butter, some sugar, as if I'm not already sweet enough. Some eggs, specifically 3. I've got some vanilla right here. We've got flour, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and chopped walnuts. If you're allergic, you can skip this part. I actually have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna grease my pan. Those are the first steps. Bake. You can't see shit. It says 350. Ta-da! And then, I don't know how y'all grease pans, but...
With your tongue?
Like that? No, I literally will just scoop with a clean paper towel and then I just rub it around in there like this. The next thing I have to do is get a saucepan and melt a bunch of shit together. Yeah! I am such not a like really good cooking person, so welcome to episode 1. We're learning over here, okay? How do I do this?
I love the English there. I'm not such a good cooking person.
This is a 1/4 cup, so that's 1.5 sticks basically. Smart. Butter. This is not, like, I should probably have a cutting board. This is me just cooking up this chocolate real good. I feel like I should totally have a cutting board here, but I'm gonna melt my butter first and then I'm gonna put my chocolate in. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Guess what I'm eating?
Butter?
No, I was gonna say brownies, but I'm making them so I can eat them. Do you think that getting baked and baking is a good idea for me?
It's gonna taste good no matter what, so.
When you look at it that way, yes, I suppose. Okay, so I'll let that melt a little bit.
Get it right now. Pedro, 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 Pedro.
So cute, I love him so much.
My arteries.
Stirring occasionally until the mixture is smooth. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. And then I'll need my electric mixer. This is my electric mixer right here. Once the chocolate and the butter is melted, we're going to beat in some sugar and eggs, vanilla, and then some flour until we have a nice brownie battery mixture.
You're gonna beat it? Give me your best method.
Oh, that kind of beat it? I'm going to need 3 eggs, sugar, and then we let that cool down. So 1.5. Oh my gosh. So I have to cool this down, but I wonder if I should sit it in some cold water in the sink maybe. I'm just running some cold water just to help it. That really shows how short I am, actually. This is my mix right here. This is the chocolate and the butter all melted together. So the next step, we're gonna beat some sugar into this chocolate.
What are you gonna do?
Beat some sugar into the chocolate. Oh my God, is it gonna like boil the sugar? I'm just gonna start mixing it with my mixer. Ooh. And then I have to beat in still 1 more cup of sugar. Ooh. Okay, 1 more half cup. I am the master baker. Baked with Geena, learning how to master bake. Ready?
It's a smiley face.
It's a smiley face. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Okay, so I also have to add, I think, my vanilla right now, which is 2 teaspoons. Mashing open some vanilla. I also want to learn how to cook healthy. My cooking skills are very limited, so my friend Lana is actually really good at cooking what looks like amazing meals. If you follow her on Instagram, boop, here's her Instagram. Lana is always posting amazing foods in her story, and I'm like, please teach me. So anyways, I think Lana and I would make a really good duo. But today we're making brownies, okay? Yummy. Stir in the flour, mixing just until it disappears into the batter, and then add the chocolate chips and walnuts. Okay, we get to lick one of these each, but not yet, okay? You get one, I get one, okay? Kyle is very much pouting right now, but brand new bag of flour. This is how I do my flour. I scoop it, I kind of shake it a little bit, and then I just go. It says to do it, quote unquote, just until it disappears in the batter, like whatever that means. So it says half a cup of chopped walnuts. Ta-da. That's my pretty good cup of chopped walnuts that I'm gonna put in. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. These are semi-sweet chocolate chips. It says a half cup for this as well. I'm going to obey the instructions.
You're not gonna go extra on the chocolate chips?
No, because how are you gonna judge a recipe if you don't follow it? You know what I'm saying? If it's not chocolate chippy enough next time, I'll add more. I feel like next time we should make special brownies maybe. Oh.
Awesome.
It does.
Who knew cooking could be so fun?
That looks pretty f***ing good. All right, mix well and pour into the prepared baking pan for 35 to 40 minutes. So I've already greased up this pan. I'm just gonna pour it in, I guess. It's just gonna be a big glob, and then I just...
Like a turd coming out.
You look like a big turd coming out. Oh my God, can't wait to lick this bowl. Like, these are gonna be some thick ass brownies. Look at it. Doesn't it look so yummy? All right, now I'm gonna throw it in, and it says not to over bake it. It says for 35 to 40 minutes. Ooh. Do you wanna lick one of these now?
Yes.
One for you, one for me.
Yeah.
Basically, that's eggs, chocolate, butter, and sugar. And a little bit of vanilla.
Diabetes.
We've got about 45 minutes of the brownies in the oven, so we're gonna doodle some drawings. I actually have some fun new markers, and I have tons of art supplies. It's gonna be fun doodle time. All right, doodle Kyle as a Super Saiyan. Isn't it gonna be Kyle's current hair as well? Or is he gonna have like Goku hair? How do I draw a Super Saiyan with a goatee and a beard? Because that's what you have.
You set a timer?
Oh my God, maybe not, because we were distracted. Guess what? We don't know how long our brownies have been.
We gotta guesstimate now.
Shit!
This is what happens, baked with Geena.
Listen, I don't know how that happened. I don't know.
Show me so far. Ridiculous. Look at me, so handsome. It looks just like me, look. Pedro, 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 Pedro. It's starting to look like me.
Oh, I did something there. Okay.
It's like looking in the mirror right now.
Oh, they look so good. You're getting a crop top. Do they have nipples? You have nipples. I drew them on here.
This has got to be the one, right?
I would think. But
it came out almost
it still has to cool down, but while it's cooling down, we will have to make the ganache. Okay, let's see. Let's check right here. Oh, I smushed the fuck out of that. It's supposed to be chewy. It says, until set but not dry, a toothpick poked in the middle of the pan should come out with a little bit of stuff clinging to it. Next, I'm going to make the ganache. It says 4 squares, but it basically means 4 big squares. I didn't weigh shit out.
In it with Geena.
It's called Baked with Geena for a reason, okay? It's a 1/4 cup. I'm using this whipping cream alternative in hopes that it still ends up really good. I cannot have dairy. Hold on, I don't know if this is gonna work because I can only do it with balls. I have to think about it. No, it didn't work.
Can't juggle sticks, you have balls.
Frig, no! It says 20 seconds and then stir until completely smooth. Boop. Spice Girls was my jam. Oh yeah, stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run. I'm wondering if I might need to add more. I should have actually used the chocolate chips.
Just do it again.
Yeah, okay. 112.
Close enough. Do the talking.
Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay, I got one. 2. Oh, it jumped out! Rude! Throw this in, and then now we mix it for 20 seconds. Okay, this is also mixing better than the other one did anyways, I think. Oh. Okay, do you think it's gonna...
Yep. I was gonna give some advice there real quick, but then you didn't.
Why would I do that when I have skills?
Not denying it. Look at that. It's perfect.
While we wait for these things to cool down, yes, I'm gonna doodle. So I gotta finish the line work and then I can start coloring it. Don't mind me, just doodling.
All right, show me your drawing.
Okay, you ready? This is Kyle going Super Saiyan.
Looks just like me.
I think it looks just like you. Okay, so Kyle.
I'm so excited for this. You should probably pick one with a straight blade though, not a bread cutter.
Why a straight blade? Why wouldn't I just cut it?
Okay.
Can I just?
I'll let you do it.
The heck? You come in here with baked in Geena and tell me how to do it? I'm totally gonna cut it and then.
Oh my god.
Okay, let me ganache it for you first, sir.
I was gonna dip it, but.
No, I'm gonna ganache it for you. You can nibble it. Is it okay?
So far, so good. Didn't die yet.
Oh, this is gonna be really chocolatey. Okay. It definitely still looks kind of wet. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. Is that gonna be chewy enough? We're gonna find out. It's definitely chewy. It's pretty good though. Mmm.
All right, 1 to 10. What are you rating it?
It's definitely very chocolatey, and I think it's probably like a 7 or an 8. It's pretty good.
Good.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah, this is a good idea.
Now I need to know, what should I bake next time? I was thinking like cinnamon buns. Don't forget, new episode every Thursday. Bake with Geena. Learning to masturbate. See you on the next one.